Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best ergonomic keyboard wrist rest is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial accessories for anyone who spends significant time typing, whether for work, gaming, or creative pursuits, as it directly impacts your comfort, posture, and long-term wrist health, preventing the strain and discomfort that can lead to repetitive stress injuries like carpal tunnel syndrome, making it an essential investment for maintaining productivity and well-being at your desk. Number 5. Gimars Enlarge Keyboard Wrist Rest Set. Experience unparalleled comfort with our upgraded wrist rest. Its ultra-thick memory foam provides soft, supportive cushioning with a slow rebound, designed to alleviate wrist pain and allow for longer work sessions with less strain. Say goodbye to wrist pain. Our ergonomic design perfectly fits your wrists, relieving pressure while typing and using a mouse. It's the ideal solution for home, office, or school. Built to last, this wrist rest features a durable 3-layer design. The non-slip rubber base keeps it in place, while the thick memory foam and soft, breathable spandex fabric ensure lasting comfort and support. Focus on your work without interruption. The super non-slip natural rubber backing adheres securely to your desk, ensuring it stays put. Included stickers offer extra security. Life happens, but cleaning doesn't have to be a hassle. The water-resistant and stain-resistant fabric wipes clean easily with a damp cloth. It's a must-have accessory for anyone who spends a lot of time at their computer. Designed to complement most keyboards and mice, this set offers the perfect ergonomic height and support. Enjoy a comfortable and productive computing experience. What we like? This wrist rest features an ultra-thick memory foam for superior cushioning. Its ergonomic design with grooves ensures a perfect fit for your wrists. If you're looking for maximum comfort and pain relief during long typing sessions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The wrist rest is made of memory foam, which provides excellent cushioning and support. It has a non-slip base that keeps it firmly in place during use. The ergonomic design helps to reduce wrist strain and fatigue, allowing for longer typing sessions. Number 4. Gimars Ergonomic Mouse Pad and Keyboard Wrist Rest. Introducing an upgraded mouse pad and keyboard wrist rest designed for ultimate comfort. Experience a softer, smoother feel that supports you through long hours of use. Crafted with improved breathable material and comfortable memory foam, this set offers an ergonomic touch. It helps prevent joint and wrist problems and relieve stress on your elbows and shoulders. The non-skid rubber base ensures a firm grip, preventing any unwanted movement. Its durable construction and reinforced edges guarantee a flat and smooth surface that won't split or roll up. This large mouse pad and keyboard wrist pad combination fits most computers and notebooks. Improve your hand and wrist posture for a healthier computing experience. The mouse pad features a groove designed to fit your hand perfectly, while the keyboard pad stays still while you type. Enjoy a relaxing and comfortable experience whether you're at home or in the office. We are committed to providing solutions for any questions you may have. Expect a prompt response within hours to ensure your satisfaction. What we like? Experience a super soft and breathable feel with this wrist rest. The non-skid base keeps it firmly in place, and it's designed to maintain its shape. If you prioritize a comfortable, stable typing experience and need a durable solution for extended computer use, this product is ideal. What people say. The wrist rest is made of memory foam which is soft and comfortable. It has a non-slip base that keeps it in place. The design is ergonomic and supports the wrist well during long typing sessions. Number 3. Gorilla Grip Silky Memory Foam Wrist Rest. Experience unparalleled comfort with our ultra-thick memory foam wrist rest. Its ergonomic, slow rebound design provides superior support, making long work sessions a breeze. Say goodbye to wrist and finger pain. This ergonomic support elevates your wrists, allowing your muscles to move freely and reducing stress and aches. Our slip-resistant backing ensures the wrist rest stays firmly in place on any desk surface. You can concentrate on your tasks without constant readjustments. Crafted with a durable 3-layer design, it offers long-lasting use. The combination of a stable rubber base, supportive memory foam, and a comfortable spandex top ensures lasting comfort. Keep it looking new with ease. The stain and water-resistant top layer can be simply wiped clean with a damp cloth, ensuring it's always ready for use. Designed to fit most desks, the keyboard wrist rest measures 17 by 3.5 inches, and the mouse pad rest is 6 by 3.3 inches. It's the ideal addition to enhance your typing and mousing experience. What we like. This option boasts the thickest memory foam for unparalleled comfort and support. Its superior 3-layer construction ensures durability, and the stain-resistant top layer makes it easy to maintain. If you want a robust and comfortable wrist rest that can withstand daily wear and tear, consider this one. What people say. The wrist rest is made of memory foam, which provides excellent cushioning and support for my wrists during long typing sessions. Its non-slip base keeps the wrist rest firmly in place, preventing it from sliding around on my desk. The ergonomic design conforms to the natural curve of the wrist, reducing strain and promoting a more comfortable typing posture. Number 2. Everlasting Comfort Ergonomic Mouse Pad and Keyboard Wrist Rest Set. Experience full ergonomic support for both your hands with our complete wrist rest and mouse pad set. It enhances comfort during prolonged computer use, whether you're working, gaming, or studying. Say goodbye to painful desk pressure. Our wrist pads elevate your wrists to a natural alignment, helping prevent fatigue and discomfort during long computer sessions. Crafted with 100% slow rebound memory foam, these wrist rests gently conform to your wrists. They provide soft yet firm support that maintains its shape all day long. Designed for long-lasting comfort, the curved edges and built-in guides help maintain optimal wrist posture. This reduces the risk of repetitive strain injuries. Engineered with a high thread count, the mouse pad surface allows for ultra-precise mouse movement. It's perfect for demanding tasks without drag or delay. What we like. Get complete ergonomic support with this set, including both keyboard and mouse rests. The ergonomic contours promote proper wrist posture, and the mouse pad offers a smooth surface for precise tracking. If you spend long hours at your desk for work or gaming and need comprehensive wrist support and performance, this is a great option. What people say. The wrist rest is made of a soft, comfortable material that provides excellent support for my wrists during long typing sessions. Its non-slip base keeps it firmly in place, preventing it from sliding around on my desk. The ergonomic design conforms well to the natural curve of my wrists, reducing strain and fatigue. Number 1. MEKASS Keyboard Wrist Rest. Introducing the MEKASS Keyboard Wrist Rest, designed for ultimate comfort during long hours of work or play. Its unique massage pattern helps relax your hands and promote blood circulation. Crafted with high-quality, soft memory foam, this wrist support provides exceptional comfort and stability. It cradles your hand, making typing, studying, or gaming a more pleasant experience. The non-slip silicone base ensures it stays put, keeping your wrist in the optimal position. Say goodbye to unwanted movement and hello to pain-free typing. Specifically engineered to alleviate wrist pain and discomfort from prolonged computer use. Now you can work, play, or study for extended periods without strain. With its ideal dimensions, this wrist pad offers comfortable support for most standard keyboards. It's the perfect companion for both your professional and gaming setups. This wrist rest comes in a classic black color, adding a touch of style to your workspace. It's as functional as it is elegant. What we like. Featuring a unique massage pattern, this wrist rest is designed to promote blood circulation and relieve pressure. It's made with premium memory foam for exceptional comfort. If you suffer from wrist pain or are looking for a way to relax your hands during long work or gaming sessions, this product offers targeted relief. What people say. The wrist rest is made of a soft, comfortable material that provides good support for my wrists. It has a non-slip base that keeps it in place even during long typing sessions. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly with my desk setup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.